In this video, I'm going to go over this rechargeable bike light set. This is a brake light and a headlight all in one. It's IP6 waterproof. It's USB-C charging. You know what? It has warning lights on it. And it's from the company APECYC. Maybe is what that is. I don't know what that is. Bike flashlight, long-lasting cycle lights. You know what? Enough of that. Let's just open this thing up and see what we get here. You get a little set of instructions right here. Pretty simple. If you've ever put one of these bike lights on before, you'll know what's going on. And I really like these flat style lights like this, where you can slide them on and off. You get a connector here. So the tail light, and you hit the middle. It's got an indicator light on it. I really like this LED style right here. Hit it once. There's 2, 3. Oh, it's like a pulsating. 4 is like a flash, and then it goes back to the same. So it's got 4 modes on that. Pull the tab back. Now look at that. It's vertical, up and down. So that's cool that you can actually change the directions on that. And then to install the headlight, it's got a little like twist mechanism going on right there. Y'all see that? I really like the way this system's done. It's a really cool system. I've not seen one like this, because I like this one because it can go in a lot of different sizes and it holds it on there very strong and nicely. Now let's just check out the headlight. Wow, that's a bright headlight. That is super bright. There's 1, 2. 2 is even brighter. 3, I gotta lean my head over. 4 is a flash. 5 goes back. So it looks like it's got 3 modes. It's got 4 modes on it total right there. Let me go ahead, click over to some nighttime mode, and let's see what this thing looks like, because I think we're going to be really impressed with this one, with how many LEDs I see on the front of that. So yeah, let's do that now. Thing on here, but let's go ahead and turn the headlight on now. Let's see that. There it is. So there's the first mode right there. I like how this one lights up this whole area. It's got a wider range on it. There's the second mode, which gives you a little more brighter. Let me get back here in front of it. That is so bright. That almost looks like a motorcycle headlight. Now let's go ahead and do the third one. Third one's more like a dim again. There's the brightest section right there. Look at how this one has such a wide beam. And the reason it does that is because it's got all the LEDs that go across. And then there's the flash on this one. And there's the on. And then I think you hold it down, and then it's off. The only thing I'd like to see is have more of an indicator light on here. I think this green button will start going down and change colors when the light starts going down. Now let's check the brake light back here. Now this one has an indicator light. I really like this brake light. Look how bright that is. It's got the 3 indicators there. There's a low. There's the pulsating. Let me move back some. See that pulsating? And then here's the fast flash. That's probably going to be the one I use the most, because look at it from the distance. And what I like about this brake light, look at it from the side. You get 180 degrees of visibility. So there's the left and the right. I like that feature a lot. And then to turn it off, you're going to reach back and just hold it down like that. So yeah, I don't see any issues with these lights at all, everybody. I think this is a great option, a good affordable option for anyone that just needs to get a good bike light set for their bicycle, scooter, or you know what, maybe even a skateboard if you can figure out how to put it on there. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the bike light set. See you all in the next video.